welcome to the Feel Good Factor episode 250. Woohoo! And this week only I had to fall sick. You can hear it in my voice, no? I was not even sure if I could record today's episode because yesterday and day before I was in a bad state with a cold and blocked nose and total tiredness and oh well, all those stories. But thankfully, by the end of today, I'm feeling so much better in a condition to record this episode. And I'm like, oh God, I can't miss it. It's episode 250. It's a milestone episode. So I had to drop in here, say hi to you, and celebrate this episode with you. You make this possible by listening every week. So I love you. Thank you so much for your support, for listening to Feel Good Factor, for telling people about it. I appreciate you so much. Of course, as you can imagine, it's a quick episode. There's a quote that I want to share with you. It's a Vedic proverb. Ekam sat vipra bahuda vadanti. Truth is one, the wise express it in many ways. That's a pretty cool proverb, isn't it? It kind of applies to your own work, your own creativity, where a lot of us think, am I repeating the same message over and over again? And we doubt ourselves for doing that. We kind of criticize ourselves for doing that. I mean, as you can imagine, with so many episodes, of course, I've covered similar topics over the years. Similar topics have come up again and again on the podcast. But what I've seen is repetition helps because repetition is a reminder. We all need to hear things in different ways, different angles for it to settle into our brains and for us to truly absorb the message. So far, not even one person has come to me and said, oh, you talk about the same stuff over and over again. I'm so bored. I'm going to stop listening to your podcast. So why do I torture myself with this? Oh, should I should have a fresh episode this week, fresh topic, a new topic. If not, it's going to get boring, blah, blah, blah. Because we all think that novelty is so important because we are especially in this age of social media, we're seeing the same, we're seeing new posts every time. People have to keep posting new content, or quote unquote content, again and new stuff again and again and again, and then it gets buried under, and then nobody sees it or reads it, and then they have to do something fresh again, and we believe that is required. But I've spoken to you about repurposing before. You can take the same thing, one thing that you have written, which you've shared somewhere, turn it into something else, share it somewhere else, and so on. And not just that, you can take one topic that has resonated with your audience, with your people, your clients, and repeat that topic in different ways, in different angles. And I've seen this happen with some of the most successful teachers and podcasters. People I follow and I love reading their stuff. And I've noticed that yes, there are patterns, there are certain topics that keep coming back again and again, but expressed with, slightly different tweaks and angles to it. And it's not only just fine, it's actually nice. There is a feeling of relaxation because you don't feel FOMO. You don't feel like, oh no, what's new? Okay, I have to learn this. Oh God, I have to remember this. It's going to get lost. You don't feel that because you're like, it's okay. I'll just listen to this one episode or read this one blog post or newsletter or whatever. And then I don't have to mug it all up, note it all down immediately because the topic is going to come back anyway in a different form. And slowly over time, that is how that is how you assimilate the information. That's how I have assimilated information from the teachers and podcasters that I do follow. So today's episode is giving you permission to repeat yourself. Remember, truth is one, but the wise express it in many, many ways, depending on the situation, depending on the time, the place, and of course, depending on your capacity, like my voice right now, which is reaching its limit. And therefore, I'm going to end the episode. Super quick episode 250. Thanks again for being here, supporting the Feel Good Factor. I'm Susmita Veganosaurus. Talk to you again next week. Take care. Bye.